Hey there, production pros! Welcome back to our channel, the place where we simplify software so you can focus on what you do best, creating magic on set. Because in today's video, we are diving into Wrapbook, the all-in-one payroll and accounting software built specifically for the production industry. Whether you're a line producer, production manager, or an indie filmmaker juggling a tight budget, Wrapbook can save you time, keep you compliant, and make the payroll painless. So let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do, visit the official website of Wrapbook. On the top corner, there's going to be an option for you to log in using your credentials, or click the Get Started button. If you do, you will be forwarded to a new page wherein you have to provide all the information needed. You can book a demo wherein you can ask or request a free trial access. Though it's not guaranteed, but if one of the sales experts approve your request, you will be forwarded to have an access to the platform. Now, the demo platform is going to be like this. I want you to click the Get Started so we can choose a tour to see Wrapbook in action. All right, so number one is going to be the Wrapbook overview. All right, so basically here, as you can see, we can learn so much from the projects. All right, you have the threes. These are going to be the tools that you can explore. All right. Now, the most important part of the Wrapbook essentials is going to be the all people. Why? Because this is going to be your central directory of everyone involved in your production, including employees or cast and crew, freelancers, contractors, union and non-union workers. For example, if we're working with these cast like Black Sabbath music video, that's going to be happening on May 11th, on June 17, 2025. You have the pending items like invoices, expenses, and payrolls. Now you have an option to view the project if you click on it. All right, and you also have an option to the book a budget. You also have, for example, if you have recently had the payment history for any of the following, you can view the personal info such as Rhapsody. For example, this one, you can track worker status across different projects. You can easily invite people to join your production, similarly to the next project that you're working. All right, so that's for the all people. Now, the next is we're going to talk about the company settings right here later on. Because for the company settings, what you can do from here is essentially manage your organizational level configurations, including company info right here, right? Bank account and tax setting, custom document templates, permission controls for user admins, and a lot more, which is only accessible by admins or those with appropriate permissions. If you click on next, we'll be forwarded to this section. You can assign your team to one of the pre-configured roles. For example, if you're working with a company manager, project coordinator, project assistant, department head, and a lot more. Okay, so let's go back here on the approval workflows management. If you're working with a specific vendors in a new window, okay, so it opens the vendor management module right here. You have approval workflows and approval groups, which is on a dedicated browser tab. All right, now with the roles and permissions, it's time to create a new project right here. You can type in your new project, for example, so you can choose from the project type. All right, is it going to be a production, post-production, live event, or photography? For example, it's going to be a production for a YouTube channel, for our YouTube channel. So you can select the distribution platform. All right, is it going to be like TV, internet, or streaming services, theater, movie of the week, video on demand, which is, let's say, other. You need to put in the contact email address. All right, is it going to be the project coordinator or the company admin? Now, you can put in the project or job number. For example, our channel is okay, it's limited. Let's say which is going to be our project number or project job number. You can set the regular pay period around weekly, bi-weekly, semi-monthly, and other. Right, for now, we're going to choose weekly. You can put in the estimated total project payroll. Say, for example, it's going to be like 69,000. And the production schedule starts around these. For example, let's say it's May this. You can put in the shoot days. You can also include the work locations. And of course, you can choose from if you're applying for production incentives at any of the above locations, or if you're allowing workers to work from home or WFH on this project. You can also apply for workers' compensation insurance. Is it going to be employees, loanouts, or contractors? You can also have the option to enable accounting tools or set up project defaults or create a project. Let's create a project on our own right here. As you can see, this is going to be a sample overview of what's going to be for the Wrapbook's time cards. All right, so you have the onboarding and verification. You can view the people right here, time cards, run payroll, petty cash, budget, and purchase order. All right, now with everything from onboarding to time cards, it's, you see, you have all these options for you. All right, now as you can see, Wrapbook gives you total control over your production. And again, you can access everything like payroll, accounting, reports, and more without having to wait on your payroll company. Now, let's talk about the section we're in. Wrapbook gives you the product section if you want to know more how the platform would work. They offer the onboarding, which handles the digital onboarding of your cast and crews, all right? It streamlines the hiring process by collecting necessary documentation like tax form, contracts, and signatures all in one place so that you can meet legal and union compliance requirements. Of course, there's going to be the cost tracking, allowing you to log and monitor expenses in real time during production. Whether it's petty cash, purchase orders, or vendor invoices, cost tracking helps you stay on budget by giving visibility into daily spending. Of course, there's going to be the payroll. It simplifies and automates the crew payroll, ensuring everyone gets paid on time with the correct rates and deductions. It handles union rules, overtime, fringes, and tax filings. Of course, there's going to be the production accounting, providing a centralized financial dashboard tailored for film and TV production, consolidating budgeting, expense tracking, approvals, and reporting, integrated with other Wrapbook tools for full financial control. And then there's going to be the data insights, which I really like because it provides analytic tools and customizable reports to help producers and accountants make informed decisions, including visualizations, burn rate, cash flow, and more, which is updated in real time from your actual data. So if you wanted to know the industries that they serve, for example, they serve the feature film, all right? So they have a lot of these, commercial and music video, episodic TV, and of course, photography, post-production, and live. All right? Now, with that being said, and that's it for today's video and using Wrapbook. It's a solid choice for producers and accountants in the entertainment industry. It's user-friendly, automates a lot of time-consuming tasks, and keeps everything compliant, from union rules to tax filings. The cloud-based access and mobile-friendly interface are definite wins, especially for the on-the-go productions. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you again in the next one.